Okay, so here's my little CI Sprite compact. It's a 1982 caravan, 2-berth with a fixed bed. The weather is absolutely atrocious, so I'm not going to be doing much to it today, but I'm getting a tow bar fitted on my car. Mr. Dependable Towing's here. Doing a bit of tow bar fitting on the car. This is going to be the tow car. So yeah, hopefully it all goes really well. Yeah, I'm going to talk about it in a bit, inside of it, maybe do a little tour of what I got, how it is, and yeah, we'll see how the tow bar comes along in a bit. Bloody cold. Alright, so I'm inside my mother-in-law's house. Lens so cold, keeps steaming up. I like your little heater here.
What? Yeah.
One of your hobs is apart.
Yeah,
So here's a little view from the inside. Let's do a little tour. We've got a little closet for hanging stuff up here. There's the wheel up there. We got some electricity going around. I think that's all in. This is the awning. That makes sense. There's a room in there for storage. Here's my keys. Here's the bed. Bed is cool. You can see out the bed. Coffee and sugar jars. Bit of switches here, fuses.
You want to see something break?
It's all tied down here. I wonder what this is for. Something must have been up there. Got some sort of bungee. Bit of a light going on there. Little drawer. What is all this about, eh? Oh, there's the sink. And this used to be like a hob or something. There used to be a knob for something. Here's the water. So that's that. A bit more storage down there. Oven looks brand new. Oh, that is the original grill, I think. It's got a grill and everything.
Nice.
Ice rack. That is pretty cool. And then you got this table, I think, for somewhere. Picnic basket. That's for the battery, I think. There's the wastewater that goes underneath. We got a couple things here. What's this? Oh, this is a bit of that. This could be, I suppose, another surface. There's the gas hose. Look at it. The gas thing. Not sure how bad it is under there, but it's all hell. Well, there's the gas tap off. That's where the gas goes. Frame's not too bad of a nick. It's pretty nice. And then we've got some sort of floor. Could do with maybe a bit replacement. Might need to get the floor up here and do the floor. But apart from that, she's clean. She's got the storage room. I like it. Got a little thing to watch your head on. Not sure where the water comes from, but bloody hell. Raining. Well, we really picked a good day to do the tow hook, didn't we?
Lovely.
Oh, so the old bumper's going away and the new one is like a replacement for it.
Yeah, the bumper beam doesn't go back on, the tow bars replaced it basically.
Yeah, okay.
Not stiffer now than that. A little piece of steel.
I was gonna say, you forgot something, but that's alright. How long you got left? It's electrics, it's a pain in the ass a bit, isn't it?
Fiddling, but not too difficult.
Got another hour and a half maybe, right? Tops?
An hour, yeah, maybe. Still got to get that neck on there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can recommend dependable towing to anyone who's around Kent. Do you do just Kent, right? Or the south, just this area, Medway? And
Just Kent.
but do you go far out?
I go just called Kent.
Oh, Kent's sick. No, yeah, why not, right?
Yeah.
Obviously, if something's far away, you just charge a bit more for the getting there or something.
No, just Kent. It's the same price.
Oh, okay. No, yeah. You're the most affordable one I found. I mean, like I called 3 shops or 4 shops, you know, and yeah, of course, mate. I mean, I tried 510. I got quoted for one place.
Really?
Yeah, but they're not real. They just do everything, if you know what I mean.
Right.
They just got like a means of quoting people easily, and that's good. Yeah, I got a little foot pump here for the pump. I think this is the wastewater. This is a little foot pump. Look, water comes out. Then goes straight down. Probably need some sort of decongestant in there. Door's a bit leaky. Could do maybe redoing. So this thing runs down here. Oh, that's where the wastewater goes, I think. There's a little adapter for this, I'm not sure. Maybe it's under here somewhere. Yeah, that's the water. Oh, maybe it just hooks up into there. And there's just water left in the system. Maybe that's what it is. And the waste